Okay then, so the final push. The bit the wife's been waiting for. Haven't you?
I have.
We're going to start wallpapering. Should we reveal the rolls before or after?
After.
Oh, having a big reveal. Whoa, how exciting. Yeah. What do you think to that, Ted? That's how excited Ted is. Right, let's go for it. I'm not exactly looking forward to this. I have got one moan before we start. Bought this Solvite stuff because it's specifically for pasting the wall, which you've got to do with this paper apparently. Never done it before. Not too happy with pasting the wall. It's just alien to me. You paste the paper. But this costs 25 pigging quid. Apparently it goes on pink as well and then dries clear. It better do. 25 quid. So, here's the reveal. Ready? It's not that exciting. Let's just go for it. Ta-da! So, there you go. We got a papered wall now that looks like a plaster wall. Go figure. Not sure how well it comes up on camera, but let me take you in. There you go. It's kind of a rustic effect, I guess. But there you go. The paper is up. Wasn't looking forward to it, but it went okay. Yeah, all I've got to do now is make good with the sockets and everything else, and then start hanging things back up again. Yeah, we may have spent a lot of money on a new mirror as well. Probably something else to reveal a bit later. Right, let's chat, let's get on with it. Oh, virtually straight. Radiator covers back in. Everything's back in place, doorbell's up. What else have we done? Not much. Hung obviously the radiator and got all that sorted out, but obviously you can't see that now, the radiator cover's on. But next dilemma, yeah, there's a new mirror to go up and it ain't going to be easy. So I'll leave that for, well, either another day or another video. But there you go, wallpaper's up. So 99% there, 99%. There we go, a new addition to the hallway. You would not believe the hassle I've had getting this up. Measure, 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 way! Measure again, measure some more, measure it again, argue about it, but we have just missed the switch. And as the wife wanted, oh, look at the state of me. It is central. She wanted it central to that line there, which it is. And she's gone out walking the dog. So me and Nave got this hung while she wasn't about, because let's face it, it's easier. There you go, new mirror. Ta-da! Hello, Ted. Hello. You can't go in yet.
Oh, why?
We got some work to do. Got some stuff to do. You don't want to be seeing it.
Oh.
What? So you're going in anyway?
Why can't I go in?
Go in then.
I'm going
But
in.
be warned. There's
Yeah.
carnage.
Better not be carnage.
Oh.
Oh! There's not carnage. Wow. Just. Wow.
That's because I measured very well.
Right in the middle. Perfect.
Just
well
as you wanted
done.
it. And the boy. Boy did well.
Done. Thank you. I think it's Prosecco time now.
Clear up time
Brilliant.
first.
Yeah, yeah,
You like?
yeah.
Good.
I think it's got a few finger marks on it that need to come
Oh,
off now.
shut up.
Oh.